Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make onion and egg rice bowl. It's kind of oyakodon without chicken, a lot of onion slices instead. It's a delicious idea to use up onions. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Slice the onion. Beat 2 eggs in a bowl. Put water and dashi in a frying pan. I'm using Mizkan Shiro Dashi sauce professional taste. It is meant to concentrated dashi product. Add onion slices and bring to a boil. Cover and cook on low for 3 minutes until onion becomes tender. Add Tenkasu if you have. It's a tempura butter. It makes the dish filling and tasty. Pour in the beaten eggs. Cover and cook on low for a minute. Serve on the rice. Sprinkle with chopped green onions if you have. And now it's done! Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
お出汁が染み込んでない玉ねぎに。で玉ねぎが甘いでしょ。だからすごいちょうどよくない？ご飯にあって。
多分美味しくてたまりません。
口についちゃってる。取れない取れない。穴開いてるもんだって歯に。あー取れないじゃ取れた。
チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタン押してね。バイバイ。